And now a special weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Accumulating snow this evening and tonight. A rain-snow mix is expected to arrive in northwest central Indiana after 6 p.m., before transitioning to all snow north of the I-74 corridor. The snow is expected to then depart central Indiana late overnight. Snow accumulations of 1 to 2 inches will be possible in the Lafayette, Kokomo, Anderson, and Muncie areas. Amounts of less than 1 inch is expected along the I-74 corridor, with near zero accumulation south and west of there. Localized higher amounts will be possible. Surfaces that are untreated may become slick and snow-covered tonight. Exercise caution if driving tonight and early on Friday, allowing extra time to reach your destination.